Sending money abroad. You'll need to fill out a SWIFT transfer form, and doing it right is essential to ensure your money reaches the right place without delays or extra charges. Start with beneficiary details. Mention the exact name of the person or business you're sending money to. Match it to their bank account name. Avoid abbreviations or nicknames. Then enter their complete bank account number or IBAN. IBAN is mandatory for transfers to Europe and many other regions. Next, enter the SWIFT BIC code of the beneficiary's bank. This is an 8 or 11 character alphanumeric code. For example, hdfcinbbxxx is HDFC Bank's SWIFT code. You can verify this on the official SWIFT directory. Now comes the intermediary or correspondent bank details. If your bank doesn't have a direct tie-up with the beneficiary's bank, an intermediary bank is needed. Mention their name, SWIFT code, and country. Most people ignore this, but choosing the correct correspondent bank reduces fees and speeds up transfer time. In the purpose of remittance field, avoid vague terms like personal expenses. Use precise RBI codes. For example, P1017 is for education abroad. You can find the list on the RBI website, https:/RBI. Now here are 6 essential things to keep in mind. Use UETR, which stands for Unique End-to-End Transaction Reference, for tracking. It gives real-time status of your transfer, which even some banks don't proactively provide. Match country-specific compliance formats. For Japan, include the branch code. For UAE, include the IBAN starting with AE. Use hour in the charge code when you want to bear the full transfer cost. This is important in business payments where the full amount must be credited. Always provide the sender's passport number or PAN if the transfer exceeds regulatory thresholds. This prevents queries or holdups. Upload invoice or admission letter directly through the banking portal. Many modern banks support document upload alongside the SWIFT form. Ask your bank if they use GPI-enabled SWIFT transfers, which is faster, traceable, and gives proof of credit time, useful during business disputes. Finally, submit the filled form online or offline as per your bank's instructions. Always keep the receipt or SWIFT copy for future reference.